in this video, it's a second part of the stream concept. If you have not seen that first part, just go and watch out in the other tutorial video which I have shown. So here it is a second part of that stream. So here we will be discussing about one program which is finding the first non-repeating character using streams. So how can you do that? Let's understand that here. So first of all, we will consider one string here. So that string, let's suppose I am taking one string here, string str equal to one string. I am considering any string like A, B, C, D, D, E. Let's suppose this is one of the string I am considering. So what will be my first non-repeating character over here? My first non-repeating character will be this C. C will be my first non-repeating character. So how can you print C over here? So that we can understand it through streams. So first of all, we will take this string. Okay, we will making use of str dot. There is a method called chars method. Okay, so with that we directly can't make use of stream on str. It's of string type, right? We can't directly put streams on it, so we need to convert it into a int string type. So how to convert string to int string type? We need to make use of chars. Okay, so basically it converts into an int string type, and it internally converts it into a characters. All the characters it will get splitted. Okay, then after that what we have to do? We need to do map to object, because it's of again chars. Okay, so we need to convert it into an object stream type so that we can collect it. Okay, so we will make use of map to object, and within that it will accept functional interface type. So that means we need lambda function here. So x gives, we will be using character dot value of char of x. We are doing downcasting here. Why we are doing downcasting? Because it's of character, right? It's of A, B, C, D. It will be of characters. All will be characters. But I need to map to an object. So for that we have to make use of character class. It's a wrapper class. Just like integer is a wrapper class, float with capital F, D with capital D double, that is also all the wrapper classes. So here character is a wrapper class for char. So char is a primitive type, and you know, right, stream doesn't work on primitives. Okay, because stream works on collection allow only non-primitive data types. Okay, so for that we need to convert this primitive to object type or non-primitive type, which is character, and by doing this we have mapped this chars to object type. Then after that what we have to do? We will be creating one hash map. Okay, so for that what we have to do? We will make use of dot collect method. Okay, within that what we will do? How can we convert it into a map here? So we will be making use of collectors dot grouping by. Okay, so with the help of grouping by, it will group based on key value pair, where each and every character will be my key and the count of that unique character will be my value. Okay, so that means A, and corresponding to that what's the count of A? 2. B, corresponding to that what's the count of B? 2. So like character and its count will become a key value pair. Okay, so that we have to implement. But can we make use of normal hash map? No, right? We can't make use of normal hash map. Why? Because here we have to maintain the insertion order, because I need first non-repeating character. So if I don't maintain the insertion order, then what may happen? It may return me E. E is the second non-repeating character that I don't want. But if I make use of normal hash map, it may return E, because hash map doesn't maintain the insertion order. So for that reason we will make use of linked hash map to store key value pairs. So how to do that? Let's see. So we will be writing here collectors dot grouping by. So grouping by is a method present in collectors class. So with the help of this it will return me map type. Okay, and here what it will accept, what we have to group here? We have to group based on the value which is coming in. So I need here function dot identity. Why function dot identity? Because it will just return me the value whatever you are giving it to that. It will not do any operation on that input characters. So that we want as a key, because I want that character A as it is in the output, right, with their count. So for that reason I have made use of function dot identity. After that we need to create a map to store that key and value, right? So how to prepare that? We will be making use of constructor reference over here. So we will be writing linked hash map new. I have written in short form HM, you have to write hash map. Okay, so I have made use of constructor reference to create a new linked hash map. Then one more thing I will take. So map has been created, key has been taken care of, then where is the value? So for value we need to make use of collectors dot counting. Okay, so with the help of collectors dot counting you will get the exact count of all the characters present. Okay, so A will not repeat 2 times like A1, no. It will see in the entire string how many characters of same type is present. That means distinct characters will be stored like A2, B2, C1, D2, E1, like that it will show. But till here if you print, like after that if you write dot for each system dot out colon println, if you write like that, it will print me this output A2, B2, C1, D2, E1. This will be my output here after this till this line. Okay, but do I want this? No, I want a first non-repeating character. That means I want C. Okay, so what to do after this? We have to make use of entry set, because we need to convert this map to stream type, right? Because it's a map, grouping by returns the map type. So how to convert it into a stream? We have to make use of entry set method. So we will be writing here entry set, it's a method. Then we will write dot stream. Okay, then after dot stream what I have to do? After dot stream, map has been converted into a stream type. Okay, then after this what I will do? I will filter all the key value pair which is having value equal to 1. I need only that non-repeating characters, right? So I need to filter that out. So how to filter that? I will be writing dot filter x gives x dot get value equal to 1. So if I write like this, what will happen? I will get all the values, I will get all the key value pairs whose count is 1. So after executing this line, if I write here dot for each system dot out colon println, what will be my output? This output will get changed to C1 and E1. Okay, after this line it will get changed to this. But I don't want this. I want only C and E. I don't want their count, because I want to just print which character is first non-repeating, right? So I just want the characters. So how to omit all the counts? I have to make use of map method. With the help of map method I can get only keys. So I will make here dot, I am removing dot over here. So dot, I am writing here dot map. What I will write here? Tell me. I will write here dot map x dot get key. Okay, I am directly taking key here. Okay, so if I directly take key here, so what will be my output after this? It will become C and E. Okay, but do I want C and E both? I want the first non-repeating character, so I don't want this E. Then how to remove this E? So I will write here dot find first. Okay, dot find first means I will get first non-repeating character which is C. But the return type of find first is of optional int type. So how to get that? How to get the value? I can't directly print this find first, right? It will give me optional type. So I need to convert it into a value so that it gives C as output, not a memory address reference. So for that I will write here dot get. Okay, so if I print this, and then if I am printing dot for each system dot out colon println, if you write like this, then you will get C as the output. Okay, you will get C as the output over here. I hope you got the clarity like how stream is working. It's very important. All the methods here is very important here. Cats method to convert string to characters. Okay, then map to object so that I get the map. So that I will get all the object type. So instead of int stream type, we need to convert into object stream type. Okay, which is taking character, because a stream doesn't work on primitive types. So character is required. Then collect is required so that I can create one map which is maintaining the insertion order, that is linked hash map we have used for that. Then these all operation is just to filter out. Means I want only the value equal to 1, so C1 even gets filtered out. Then I want just key, so C and E will get filtered out. Then I want just first non-repeating which is C, so I have filtered out C here. by doing find first, and then it's of optional type, so I've written get, so it will print me what is the first non-repeating, which is C. So like that it will print me the first non-repeating character. This is very important question, and this has been asked in most of the interviews. Okay, so all service based and most product based companies also ask this question to implement in the interview. Please tell me how to implement that. So this question can be solved in many ways. You can make use of two for loops. Okay, so it will iterate to each and every characters, so there will be like two for loops, so O of n square time complexity will be there. So if you can make use of hash map, that way also you can do. Okay, so there also you have to make the you have to make use of counter. Okay, you have to maintain the counter, and then you have to do that. To hash map also is a way, and like this way also with the help of stream also you can do. So you have to know all the ways, so that if interviewer tells you like print non-repeating character using streams, then you should be in a comfortable position to explain that. So now this has been implemented properly, but let's suppose I want the second non-repeating character. Then how can you do that? Can you print the second non-repeating character? Is there any way to find it out? Find first will tell you what is my first non-repeating character, but let's suppose I want to print this E. I don't want to print C, I just want to print E. How will you do that? So I will not write here find first. Okay, I will not write here find first. Okay, so I will skip that. I will skip that. So there is a method called a skip method. Okay, so you can make use of skip one. Okay, then if you want you can write find first. After this then dot get you can do. So like that it will work. So skip method is very much important over here. Okay, so if they are telling you to print the third non-repeating character, so just n you have to print. So n will be given to you. What is the nth non-repeating character? If the interviewer asks, you have to do using streams. Then you have to pass n over here. Just replace 1 with n. And what is the value of n? You can just pass it over here. You will get the nth non-repeating character in a stream of characters. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity how it has been working internally. Okay, so it's very important, and it's very important for interview as well as in a project which you will be working in. So this is the overall stream concept, and lot of concepts has been implemented in one single stream question. Okay, so that's why this question is very important and it's asked in interview commonly. So I hope you got a clarity. So we'll see you in the next lecture, in the next video, in certain different type of questions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, so it motivates me to create this type of videos. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.